Good morning, traders. Matrix here, chat room moderator of BRT, and here's a little bit of live trading for October 9th. Currently, I have 4 charts up. You're only able to see 2 every time I take a trade. Hopefully, I remember to switch the chart over to the screen I'm sharing. Right now, I'm watching Tesla and AMRN. The plan is that last night I called AMRN for continuation downside on daily chart. It has cleared and it's coming close to a key support level. So it's about to snap. I'm looking for this to wash today all the way back down to 17. Past few days, it hasn't been able to get through 20 anymore. And the overall market is tanking just a little bit. With AMRN, basically the stock is not the overall market incentive on AMRN itself. They really don't know what to do from the 20 area right now. So the stock has pretty much topped out. So at any cover pop, I'm looking to short it back down, and it's time for some massive profit taking on this previous run up here. Now, I marked off the 19 and the 1925 area. 1920s is basically this day where it topped out, and the kind of like the bottom of this day as well. So these are the 2 main areas I'll be watching right now on AMRN. It's nice and close. Tesla is opening up on doji. I called it last night for it to hit the 260 before it comes down. So I'm looking for a cover pop here. If it doesn't happen, it might wash out right away, and I'll just wait from there. I'll set a new plan. You'll get to watch me set a new plan if I miss my original plan from last night. SQ right now, it's trading a little bit lower pre-market. It had a massive day yesterday as it dumped. So I'm looking for it to pop back up to 84 and hammering it down. I might actually short this alligator. You know what? Let's put SQ up here because SQ has a better chance of me taking a play on it. Okay. I'm looking at 84 mark right now. So 84 over and under, as long as it tops out this 84, I'll be looking to short it. 84, 200 SMA is actually nicer. 84, let's call it 84.50. All right. On the daily chart, it snapped through this 50 SMA here. And I think it has target potential of this bottom 81.50. So I like SQ. We got 1 more minute to open. Let's bring in the clock here. Let's do right here so you guys see the clock. So that's my 2 plan to open the day with. I have 260 marked off on Tesla as well. AMD, steadily grinding up. It gap down and steadily grinding up. I am looking to take a short at around the 2640 to 2650 area. So let's see how that opens. We got 5 seconds. Here we go, guys. Let's do this. Oh, sell off right away. Missing out. SQ, Tesla's popping. AMD's popping. Okay, so I'm watching the tape here on SQ as it pops up back into this 84.50 area. Tesla pop and drop. Spread on SQ is about 14 cents. I got size accordingly to the spread as well. AMRN is coming down strong. And wow, I really want to take it right now. It's bleeding. I'm taking it short right now. Okay, I'm gonna risk 1840s, maybe no, 1860s. Ooh, did I just miss this? I did. Missing SQ. MRN spacing 18.5. Not a big fan of that. Not a big fan of this tape coming in red. All coming in green. Okay. Come on, bring it down. So it seems like it bottomed out here at 1830s. And this is a good chance for me to cut. Okay, it's looking pretty strong. My original plan for AMRN is 19. Boom, there we go. Okay. Come on. Spacing this 1840s, I don't like that. Square. Recovering the VWAP here. AMD running strong. Above 2650 already. Gonna wait a little bit. Still waiting. This is looking bullish. I'm gonna come out here and I'm looking to take this long, reverse my play. No, I'm not gonna chase this. So it's holding this 1850s area. Should have reversed it. Okay, I'll wait for a pullback. The plan was originally short it from here, so I'm just gonna wait for that. SQ squeezing. SQ last night, I called it to reject 87, 87.5. So basically the outer gates play was no good. However, AMRN looks promising, about to reach my goal here, about to reach where I want to short initially. So we'll just wait for that. AMD's topping out 2680s, which is yesterday. It really topped out there, right here. The SPY's bouncing back and squeezing back up. Tesla coming into 260s. This is parabolic. Okay, for a stock to come up from 253, Ooh, you got parabolic action here as well. Perfect. Ooh, 87 looks nice. Let's look for SQ 87. Watching the tape here on SQ setting up. Watching AMR on as well. Tape's going red. Oh, it's about to dump. Oh man, did I miss it? No, it's spacing. It's spacing here. Spacing 85.5. 85.5 snaps. This thing's coming back down. EMRN. So retest. Spacing as well. You want to do red to green. I'm going to take it long here for 75. Quick squeeze red to green. No. Yesterday's closing price holding it down right now. See, look. Chart looks strong. SQ. Just gonna sit back and wait for these charts to set up. $19. Ooh, there's sellers at 19. Hidden buyers buying above the ask here. Nice. That's topping out. So we got a fight going on. Pretty big move. Settled. Run. Man, this is bullish. I need a dip. The dip's gonna happen. Bring it back down to the 50 MA. That should be right now. Yeah. Nice jump on the bid here. Got buyers coming in on the tape. Very green. SQ still going. Tesla reaching 260. I want to take this short. So bad. Yeah, I kind of missed the move, but you know what? Let's start chasing it with half size here. See how it reacts. My risk is the top, so a little bit above. Yeah, I anticipated it to come back up and retrace a little bit. My average is 1870. Boom. Okay. Let's see if this VWAP snaps. Bring it down. Bring it down. Come on. Got a little bit too heavy this morning on my size and didn't cut it off quick enough. let it run against me a little bit. My bias on it is overall bearish day on the AMRN. That's why. 5-minute chart looking fantastic. This candle is a seller's candle, and this thing's gonna come down. Eventually, it should be able to break this floor here at the 1840s. So since I'm only in half size, I can hold this a little bit. I'm waiting for a pop back up to this 75 area. And if it holds it down, I'll add in. Watching SQ right now, it's consolidating sideways, waiting for this 90 MA to catch up. It sold off a lot. It bounced off the 50 SMA. This is a good time for a long, I would say. Let's do a little pullback, come down to the 9. Boom. AMRN working out. Nice. Tesla right off the 260. Come on, I missed that. Okay. Let's take some at the 1850s here. Wait for SQ to set up. We don't know. This is a critical area right now, the money spot. Basically, this whole area, it's either support and it snaps and it's coming right back down, or it could go right back up. So I don't want to take a trade from here right now. AMRN action kind of stopped and decisive at this 1850 support area, snapping this VWAP, the 50 and the 9. I like that. This is a bearish signal. Shoot, I want to hammer it in. I hammer it right now though. My average is gonna get fucked up. I'm gonna wait for a pop, maybe back into this area and reject. SPY selling off a little bit here. AMD, nice recovery. Retest the 27 short was what I called last night. So did not take that. Jeez, missing plays. Snapping on the VWAP here on AMRN. Doji shot. Ooh, this is a good place to add size. Maybe I can pop back up some more. So I'm only up about 12 cents on my AMRN right now. I don't want to take it just yet. The stock's about to make a play here. Yeah, this thing's gonna snap. Interesting. What you gonna do? Make up your mind. I want to see it hold down, actually. What's the tape telling me? We got a big fight going. So it is quite the choppy day so far. I mean, I guess at least for shorting bias. Ooh, I like this candle. No, I don't like that candle. Give me the different pattern. I like that. I like the seller's candle earlier. Give me that back. See how this candle works. It's trying to recover the VWAP, but the 5-minute chart looks weak on the AMRN. This floor is going to have a hard time to snap. I still like it for the downside though. SQ basing around this 85.50s. I want to take it. Ooh, snap through. Ay, missed that. Spies pulling. Boom, snap, snap, snap. Adding in. Now my average is at 59. Let's ride this. Come on. Give me the 40s first. You want through. There it is. I'll pay myself some on this wash. Give me 40s first. Come on. Oh, it's looking weak. Oh, it's going. Oh, yeah. Okay. Low of days, 1828. I'm going to take a little bit here. Okay, recover a lot of my losses from previously. My average is now 1859. I can hold it a little bit. See if this thing recovers. Always pay yourself on one of these big washes. So it's trying this horizontal line at 1850 now. Got a big seller's wick, but we're going sideways here. And I want to add back in. If I add back in, I'm risking 65s area. 70s. I want to add on weakness though. I want to add into a pop. This is still going to come down. Just let it come down. Only want to add into a pop. SQ, following this trend line, unable to make green. Snap through, miss my chance here. It's fine. It's first touch of the 50 EMA. And it's weak. Just pull right through. Boom, let's go. AMRN, target 17. Low of days, 1828. I think I should be paying myself a little more soon, but it should be able to snap through. I mean, 1828, 1830, same thing. I had to pay myself and I hold right through the snap. It's gonna snap. Come on. Yeah, come on. 1830 soaking, man. Okay, yeah, more size coming in. Soaking these buys. Damn it. Should have paid myself a little. Here comes the retrace. My chance to add back in. If it pops up. Still a lot of selling pressure here. It's a little extended to the downside. Here we go. 1830s test again. Up and coming down. Up and hammering down. This thing wants down. Looking at Tesla and AMD still. SQ. Yesterday's closing price 85 Gs. pay myself at the lower days here. See what happens. Interesting. 1850. It popped to the 50 and down again, maybe? It's very, very sharp. I should expect like a cover pop if this trend breaks out. This is a very sharp cover pop right back into the 50, which actually calls for me to take my money right now. I don't really want to. You know what? I will size down. Okay, I'm gonna take another half off, leave 100 on, size down a little bit so I can hold through this pain. As it pops, I want to see a reject here. And I'm getting ready to add back as well. I'm gonna make this thing my bitch today. Once this candle snaps through. Pretty clear floor. Interesting horizontal line here. And you can see it on the pre-market too, right here, right? So it's basing a little bit. Tesla's looking pretty weak. I'm gonna short Tesla right here. Risking 258s. So let's bring Tesla up. I'm risking 258s. All right, this area. I'm in on 50 shares. My average is 256.25. Oh yeah, snap through. Oh, forgot to add here. Nah, this thing sold off a lot on the 5-minute chart. This is not really a snap. It's gonna chop around sideways here a little bit. That's fine. AMRN's got time. Whereas Tesla, my average is 256.25 right now, which is its floor. It's dangerous. Stock is on SSR. So this floor could be trappy. If it doesn't snap through, I need to get out. Yeah. Get the tape here. Still keeping half an eye on AMRN. Looking at the tape. Yeah. Here comes pop. So Tesla, I shorted on weakness, which was terrible. This should be the candle that I'm shorting into. Should I take it off though? Because my risk area is still 258, so could stick to my plan, but there really is no point. My average is so bad. Tape still going red. So it's just a cover pop though. And we're steadily making a little bit of higher lows here. So this is really trappy as well. This could be a chance for me to get out. Tape's reading weak. Come on, snap it. AMRN back up. into my average now. Tesla, I need to take this off on the next red candle. It's holding. I need to get out now too, actually. Yeah, I need to get out now. This is dangerous. Should I reverse long it? Through. Where's this? Yeah, should. Ah, just missed the entry. Not chasing it, just missed the entry. 258.75 made a nice ceiling as well. Just wait for it. AMRN recovering. Spies ripping. Tagging the VWAP. Man. Slowly grinding up. Called it the chop day. Look at the spy. Indecisive. Stock spacing here. I need to be ready to get out. Might squeeze. But the plan is to the 69 area. That's why I got really small size left on the AMRN, so I'll just hold it to the plan. Which is now. Jeez. This flat line gonna hold it down. Hold it down, hold it down. Green, green, green. I'm out. Let's wait for these to set up here. 10 o'clock. Not doing so hot right now, but only down a little bit. We should be able to get back. Basically, from the open to now, it's been choppy, right? No one direction move. Tesla, I mean, this could be more like it is a bullish action, rounding up. Yeah, should have took it right here when I caught it. So let's see if it what it does at this double top of 260.50. Taking a look. Where is this? It's 260. Yeah. Ooh. Curling back up, long back to 19. A nice 40 cents here. I long it back to 19. 10-cent down on risk. So 41. Considering taking long on AMR and scalp it. The market just went green right now. AMD. Really slow action here on AMRN. Tesla is 258.80s mark. Snap too. No volume though. Fake snap. Nice base. AMRN. We're looking at SQ here. Looks bullish. And looking at AMRN. Extended though on SQ. Tesla back up to 260. Yeah. Could even break out. Because the stock is on SSR, these bases are very dangerous because it's harder to short weakness. Ooh, AMRN. Come on. Snap through. How's the volume looking? Dip, hold. Tesla 260. What do you want to do? I'm short here. I could risk 50 cents. No, it's already up. No, this grind move is not a short. It's a breakout now of 260. Looks like Tesla wants green today, probably an inside day within the previous day. So wait for that. EMRN back down to the lows here. Oh, I don't want a short weakness. Oh man, what a miss. Did I stop out? I stopped out right here on this candle, eh? Wow. Can't believe it. And we have rollover. Nice. So rollover action. This topped out. Mark that off. Mark this off. The uptrend line. So I called this to come up, but here's our first lower high. Mark this off. As we're watching, we're missing this move. I'm not gonna let that FOMO get to me though. It's gonna pop back up. No? 1830 soaking again? Yeah. It snaps through, it's going fast. What am I missing here today? Could I have played through this chop? This mark, 1865, significant from yesterday. Yeah, look at how it played. Tesla up and over. Reclaiming. It's a long. It's reclaiming this 260 and starts basing. It's a long. AMD steadily coming down. AMRN sold off a lot on the 5. Don't want a short weakness. No big moves. Like no one directional trendy moves. So either I'm looking at the wrong stocks or the market's pretty choppy. Square coming down. Weakness again. Have the first high, second high. Tesla holding. Holding this 58, 75 mark, which it previously broke through. A long AMRN. It's looking weak. Cover pop. Looks about to roll over. I mean, look at these candles. Lower high, lower high. Unable to recover. What was this? Yeah. It's a higher low on 5-minute chart. It's really crazy how it's holding up and it's not washing out. The stock is strong. Tesla teasing this 260 again, unable to break through and hold. Hesitated on pulling the trigger. $1.25. I should pull it. It's just a pullback. It's looking weak. Now I'm risking 260. It's $1. Ooh, SQ. Just got short on SQ. Oh, AMRN coming through. Give me a proper pop, AMRN. It's too extended to the downside here. SQ is holding this 85 and recovered. Oh, here's that pop I was looking for. Get short. Get short. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, missed it. Still shorted it. 1837. Come on, snap that 30s, man. AMRN. Boom. Boom. Payday. Oh, let's go. 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 Pay myself some at 18s. Come on. All right, pay myself a little bit. Take off my SQ. Wow, once this floor snaps, any pop back up, I'm shorting it. Come on, come on. Ooh! Oh, I gotta pay myself some here too. Yo! Holy shit. 1750s. Got it. Got it. Recorded it. Oh, yeah. Wow. What a snap. Give me a pop back up into this 1830s. I'll hammer it. Still holding 100 shares on the AMRN, like basically a very small size. So let this ride. Or if it pops back up and reject the 1825s area, then I'll add back in. Right. It's still coming down. How far can it go though? Let's see. Whew. 1750s. What was the low? At 1756. What was my prior cover? Wow, I prior 1760s. So I didn't my next cover wasn't too bad. I covered around this area here. Right. Just holding a core position. My average is 1837. Tesla still can't make over 260 chop day. But it's basing, so look at how trappy this candle is. So I did make a mistake here. I mean, got too hasty out the gates on the MRN, let this run against me. I didn't cut my loss early on this first candle. It hit my plan at 19. I didn't take this trade because of this loss. I was my confidence was shot, so I watched it. But this is the trader of the day. Called it last night on my watch list. I'm green on it, yeah. Very green on it. Like my entry should have been here on this candle, but this candle doesn't matter. I caught it. Just looking over at the chat room right now. Some members hit it here, so that's nice. Boom, let's go. Wash, baby, wash. So we have like a horizontal line here at the 75s. It wants 1750. It needs 1750. 1720 was this day's open on a daily chart. Oh yeah, I like to see 17, at least 17. But 1750 is a key psychological number as well, so let's see how it reacts. Should I take some money or what? Yeah. Cape's bleeding. Just looking at these green prints here, 58, 55. Okay. So there's still a lot of selling pressure coming down on it. We're at the 51s now, 52s. Boom. Nice. Snap, 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 snap. Yeah, I won 17. I'm going to take a little bit more off on 17. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit off here, $1 from my entry. But kept it. Okay, so basically, very little left, 50 shares left, which I really don't care about. Scratch day so far. Down just a little bit. Commissions. Bring that in. Scratch day. Oh, wow. What a recovery. Okay, let's see how this holds up. This little recovery here just cost me quite a bit of money, but 50 shares ain't nothing, so just let it run. Tesla, I really don't know what to do with Tesla. So fakey. Can it get back up? I don't know. Let's let's take a look at IRBT here. I called this yesterday for continuation short, pop up and down. Nope. No volume. AOI. No volume. AA. Coa. No volume. Jesus. Looking at my watch list on the side here. Let's take a look. Twitter's up 2.5%. Nothing moving especially big. Yeah, bring this in. So nothing moving fantastic here. Like no big moves on my regular basket of watches. Like except for Tesla. Even Facebook is chopping around like a dick. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording now. Probably gonna set my stop here at if it breaks back above. You know what? This is the 50 MA. I do expect the stock to crawl back up here. Probably tag the VWAP. It's gonna chop around as these EMAs comes down on it and catch up. Um, I should be okay. I'm gonna head out for butt. Set a order here. My entry was what, 1837. So set it at break even. Right. You know what? 18. Let's do 1842. Okay. Okay, set that hard stop in, and I'm gonna stop the recording. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.